Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're aiming to ace a Duolingo English test, you are at the right place. In today's video, we are going to dive into some effective strategies that will help you enhance your speaking skills and perform exceptionally well on the speaking section of Duolingo English Test. So let's get started. So I will be sharing 7 tips to improve your speaking skills. Let's start with the tip number 1, practice regularly. So consistency is the key. Set aside time every day to practice speaking in English. Engage conversations, with your friends, family, or even in front of your mirror or maybe your smartphone. This will help you build confidence and fluency all the time. Tip number 2 is using language learning apps. Duolingo isn't your only friend. Utilize language apps like Tandem, HelloTalk to connect with native English speakers, or you can even use like these apps. This will help you to improve your speaking skills. Engaging in real conversations will expose you to natural language pattern and improve your speaking abilities. Tip number 3 is recording yourself speaking. So this is the most effective thing I can tell you, that recording your voice while speaking English can provide valuable insights. Listen to the recordings, identify areas for improvement, and work on your pronunciation and annotations and clarity. Tip number 4 is focus on your vocabulary expansion. A rich vocabulary is crucial for effective communication. Learn new words, phrases daily. Try using them in sentence to practice their pronunciation and usage. Learn every day. Like you can take a newspaper every day, highlight the words you don't know before, and try to use them in your daily life. Tip number 5 is mimic native speakers, or even you can watch English movies and series. So watch English movies, TV shows, and YouTube videos. Pay attention to the way the native speakers talk and try to mimic their intonations, pacing, and speech pattern. This can greatly enhance your natural speaking flow. Just mimic it, fake it till you make it kind of scene. Tip number 6 is engage in role play. So role playing scenarios can simulate real life conversations. Enlist a friend or family member to act out different scenarios with you. This will help you practice specific vocabulary and conversation skills. So Duolingo English Test always, gives you a question which have something like a situational basis, and this scenario based, role playing thing can help you to improve your speaking skills. And record yourself responding to Duolingo style speaking prompts. This will help you to manage your time and perform better under pressure. Told you this earlier. Create a 1 hour intense session at your home and see how you are performing. So in conclusion, there you have it, language learners. By following these 7 tips, you will be well on your way on acting the speaking section of Duolingo English Test. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to put in the effort. Thanks for turning into our channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more language tips. Best of your luck. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.